Okay, Jason, could you tell us a little bit about your project Normair under the Nordic Top-Level Research Initiative?
Yes. So we know that the world's marine ecosystems are being impacted by climate change. We know that climate change is having a larger effect as we move towards the polar systems. But what we don't know is the nature of these impacts, the degree that they're affecting fish species that humans rely on, and how we should be adapting to this. And so in Normair, we're trying to look at the health of the marine ecosystems under climate change, and we do this with a focus on species, the cod, the North Atlantic cod, which is socially, economically, and biologically important across the Nordic region.
And you've worked with a lot of Nordic networks. What has that meant for your project?
Well, it's a different phrasing of the questions. So Nordic funding has allowed us to tackle this problem from a different perspective. So if we kept this project within a single research group, we would not have the size or the expertise necessary to really look at how global climate change is impacting marine ecosystems. By having Nordic funding, we can achieve a scale, a research scale, and a number of different groups with complementary expertise to really look at this what is a global problem and what is having international and or global impacts.
And how about how does interdisciplinarity play into your work?
Well, just by its very nature, global warming is impacting biological systems. It's also impacting social systems. It's impacting economic systems. So to really understand what the impacts of global climate change are and how we need to adapt to them, we really need to approach the question from an interdisciplinary perspective.
And what are the next steps in the Normair project?
Well, so we're still looking towards what we can achieve within our project period. We were funded for 5 years. We've finished just over 3 years of our project. At this stage, we've done a lot of the fundamental science, and now we need to synthesize these results into a package that's more relevant to informing policy or informing industry management groups. And so that's very much our focus now moving forward. At the end of that 5-year period, we will not have all the answers as to how global climate change is impacting marine ecosystems. So our intention then is to try to continue the Normair collaboration in some context.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Yep, thank you.